What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all doing amazing and having a productive Friday. So yes, I'm sweaty. Yes, my shirt's sweaty. It's because I was just at the gym. So let me tell you a quick story. 9 days ago, I decided that I was gonna do a challenge where I do the Stairmaster, you know, the stair machine, at the gym for 30 minutes a day for 30 days. And I posted on my Instagram story that I was doing it, and I did my first 30 minutes, and I said, all right, who's doing it with me? And I had probably 15 to 20 people message me and say that they were gonna do it with me, and I was like, you know, that's awesome. We're all gonna, you know, keep each other accountable. Everybody's gonna, not necessarily lose weight, but you know, it's good just to get some exercise. Motion creates emotion. I believe in that. And now it's day number 9, and I've been doing it myself, 30 minutes a day. It's been great. I do it before I lift, and what happened is, you know, that first initial day that I said I was gonna do it, people told me they were gonna do it. They sent me videos of them on the stairs. But guess what? Today is day number 9, and not one of those 15 to 20 people went through with it. So what does that mean? They're inconsistent. And I see that is one of the major causes for a lot of people not succeeding, whether it's in business or in their job or, you know, whatever field, because they are not consistent. The only way to create something that's gonna last long term and create wealth and success for you, not necessarily just financially, but, you know, mentally and physically, is through consistency. For me, when I've lost weight, you know, I'm currently losing more because what happened is I lost, you know, about 35 pounds, then I gained back 10, and now I'm back down 5, and I'm trying to get even further down. But the only way I've been able to do this and go back and forth is through consistency. Notice that if you eat junk food all the time, then you're gonna gain weight over time because you're consistently doing something negative, but it's still consistent, whether it's good or bad. So if you're doing something, you know, like eating good every day consistently, then you're gonna see those benefits for the long term. So in my opinion, the way to succeed in anything is just by taking it serious and staying consistent. The only way I've been able to grow my businesses, lose weight, gain weight, lose money, has been through consistency, because I've been consistent in something, whether it's good or bad. So if you want to succeed in anything, stay consistent. Figure out what your targets are. You know, it's a new month. Set your targets and then figure out, all right, what exactly am I going to do? What is my plan to reach that target on point? And that's what I've been able to do with everything. If I believe, I know it sounds sort of cheesy with the cliche, if I believe I'm gonna do something, I will do it. And that's how it's been every time, because I'm consistent. You have your subconscious telling you to do the wrong thing sometimes, like eating junk food or not going to the gym, but you know deep inside you that it's good for you, it's beneficial. And that comes down to anything in life. So if you want to become successful, physically, financially, emotionally, whatever, set a target, figure out a plan, and stay consistent. Don't be like those people in my DMs that told me that they were gonna do the stair challenge and then failed after the first day. And that's just why so many people never succeed, never get to where they wanna be, because they're too scared or too lazy to keep that momentum going and do things that they don't wanna do, whether they want to or not. I don't love doing the Stairmaster. I don't love working out for an hour every day, but I know it's good for me, and if I do it consistently, I'm gonna have a lot of benefits that come from that. Discipline is really just the differentiation between what you want most and what you want now. Obviously, I may want junk food now, but I know that in the long term, that's not gonna benefit me, and it's not gonna help me reach those targets. So stay consistent, guys. I appreciate you all. Hope you all have a great and productive rest of your Friday. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. And hey, real quick, if you're getting some sales on your e-commerce store, maybe you don't even have any sales and you want to take it to the next level, then go ahead, go to the top of the description, book your call, and let's make something happen. See you there.